Chicken with paprika. For this dish we need chicken, mayonnaise, paprika, leek, tomatoes, spices and olive oil. Wash the chicken. Lay the foil out on a baking tray. Put some olive oil. Dry the chicken with a towel. Put on a baking sheet. Add spices. Clean paprika. Cut leek. And add to the chicken. Cut paprika and add to the chicken. Add tomatoes. Preheat oven to 200 degrees for 45 minutes. Put the tray in the oven. Remove from oven. And serve in a serving dish. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!